Hello friends, this is Abhiram Kandori. Today's topic of mathematics is about logarithms, which are useful in every stage of mathematics. Before that, please subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe and click on the bell to notify my new videos, and don't forget this is Knowledge World. First of all, what are logarithms? Logarithms are used for all sorts of calculations in engineering, science, business, and economics. Let's come to the properties of logarithms. Logarithms are more important in many applications and also in advanced mathematics. We now establish some basic properties useful in manipulating expressions involving logarithms. The first property of logarithm is the product rule. What is the product rule? The properties of exponents correspond to the properties of logarithms. For example, when we multiply with the same base, we add the exponents. That is, a power x into a power y equal to a power x plus y. I repeat that if we multiply with the same base, then the exponents are added. This property of exponents, coupled with an awareness that logarithm is an exponent, suggests the product rule. That is, log xy to the base a is equal to log x plus log y to the base a. The second one is the quotient rule. When we divide with the same base, we subtract exponents. That is, a power x by a power y is equal to a power x minus y. I repeat that when we divide with same bases, we subtract the exponents. Then coming to logarithms, it will be log x by y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, where for both the examples x, a and y are positive numbers. The third rule is the power rule. It says that when an exponential expression is raised to a power, we multiply the exponents. That is, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. I repeat that when an exponential expression is raised to a power, we multiply the exponents. This property suggests the power rule. Coming to logarithms, if a comma x comma y be real numbers, then log x power n to the base a will be n into log x to the base a. Now let's go with some examples for the each rule. First one is log of 100 to the base 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. That implies log 100 is equal to log 10 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10. Coming to the quotient rule, log of 32. 32 can be written as 64 by 2. That implies log of 32 can be written to the base 10 can be written as log 64 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Coming to the power rule, log 16 to the base 10. 16 can be written as 4 square. Then log 16 to the base 10 can be written as log 4 square to the base 10. This is in the form of log x power n. Then it will be equal to 2 log 4 to the base 10. Again 4 can be written as 2 square. Then 2 log 4 to the base 10 can be written as 2 log 2 square to the base 10, that is n into x log a, that is 4 into log 2 to the base 10. Using these properties, we can solve many problems involving logarithms and we can gain success in our examinations. Thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe my video.